consider how familiar your audience is going to be with your research area. So what is their background relative to your research project? And you need to tailor both the content and the language of your poster to your audience so that they can digest what you're saying and provide constructive criticism and ask thought-provoking questions. The flow of your poster should be natural and obvious to the reader to guide the reader's eye, as shown in these examples over here. So someone has taken an interest in your poster, and now this is your opportunity to dazzle them. Firstly, timing is everything. Tell your story through the figures on your poster in 5 minutes at a comfortable conversational pace.